Hi there, my name is Polani Hawkshaw, and I think becoming a Palomar intern would be a really big help for my career as I'm becoming a speech pathologist. I think it would be a great stepping place for me to, get my feet wet, learn as much as I possibly can about healthcare and being in hospitals, because ultimately that is where I want to belong. I do want to be a medical speech pathologist within the hospitals. And so I think it would just be a really great stepping place. Three of the goals that I would like to have if I do get accepted would be to network. I love networking. I love getting to know people. And so I would say in order for it to be quantifiable, I believe that I would like to have at least 5 people that I can get their names and numbers and be able to contact them and just gain some knowledge from them in their fields. The second one would be learning patient clinician skills. I believe that a big thing that within my field is evidence-based practice, and a big thing is knowing and understanding how to talk to patients, knowing to be able to empathize with them and understand them. So I would say a goal of mine would be to further develop those skills, so in that way I can be a better clinician for my patients when I get out into the field. And then the third goal that I have, we do, and again in my field, talk a lot about the brain, and it is something that I'm very interested in. And so I just want to be able to learn how more obviously about the brain, but necessarily I guess how the brain recovers through a stroke, TBI, things like that. Like, what is that recovery process for the brain? What does that look like? And I want to be able to learn learn that knowledge through, a neurologist or even with a patient, because they've been through it. So I think those would be my 3 goals. And how I plan on doing that with networking, like I said, speak to 5 people, try to get their names and numbers. The patient clinician skills, I would like to be involved in that process any way possible, to just learn how to grow those skills from a doctor or an SLP to a patient. And then the third one, being able to speak to a neurologist or even a patient about how the brain recovers. Thank you.